Microsoft Planner versus AHA, two powerhouses in project management. But which one actually makes your workflow smoother? On one side, we have Microsoft Planner, the go-to tool for simplicity and teams already in the Microsoft ecosystem. On the other, AHA, a robust platform known for its advanced product management features. We'll put both to the test in real-world scenarios, from task tracking and integrations to pricing, customization, support, and beyond. Let's cut through the marketing hype and dive into what really matters. Each round earns points, and at the end, you'll get a clear winner. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's where we're headed. First up is price always important, right? Then, we're going to dive into features and flexibility, see how integrations stack up, check out collaboration tools, peek under the hood at security and compliance, and finally, figure out who these tools are actually built for. That's a lot, I know, but I promise it's going to be worth it. Let's start with price, because honestly, no one likes surprises when the bill shows up. Planner is basically included with most Microsoft 365 plans, so if your company's already on that train, you're golden. No extra fees for the basics. Love to see it. But yeah, if you're on the free or lowest tier, expect some limits. Now, AHA! Oof, this one's not for penny pinchers. Sure, there's a free trial and their plans flex a bit, but honestly the price tag is ambitious, especially if you're a small team just getting started. Now features and flexibility. Planner is super simple, task boards, Teams integration, you're set. Super chill if you're just keeping your team in sync. But if you're looking for those big league product management moves, Planner starts to feel a little bare bones. On the flip side, AHA is like some kind of Swiss Army knife for road mapping. Advanced fields, reports, goals, you name it. But let's be real, half that stuff is going to spin your head if you just want to keep a to-do list. So yeah, much more powerful, but definitely steeper to learn. Integrations. This can be a deal breaker. Planner works hand in hand with the Microsoft FAM, but if you're trying to link up with anything outside that bubble, prepare for some frustration. AHA, though, comes out swinging. Jira, Slack, DevOps, Zapier. So many doors open. The catch? Some of those cool integrations are behind a paywall. Of course. Classic. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. AHA was actually founded by two ex-Rally software product leads back in 2013. So yeah, these guys have been around the product management block a few times. Collaboration time. Both let your team jump in, leave comments, poke each other with notifications, the whole deal. Planner's real-time stuff flows nicely for everyday teamwork, but it's a no-go if you want to bring in guests from outside your company. AHA gets a bit fancier, built-in feedback tools, even planning across teams. But, and this is kind of funny, sometimes it's almost too much. Simple chores can feel like you're prepping for a marathon instead of just, I don't know, buying printer ink. Let's talk security and compliance, because seriously, nobody wants their secret sauce out there. Planner rides that sweet MS-36b5 security train. GDPR? Check. HIPAA? Yup. That said, it's not super granular, but for most, it's locked down tight. AHA also takes things seriously. SOC 2, GDPR, single sign-on the works. But just know, if you want the fanciest controls, better bring your wallet for those top-tier plans. Target user? Who are these tools actually built for? Planner is honestly best for small teams just trying to stay above water, nothing complicated. If you're a product manager, you're probably going to outgrow it fast. AHA, though, is built like a fortress for PMs, strategy, serious roadmaps. Just don't expect it to double as a to-do app for your grocery list. It's a heavyweight, maybe even overkill for anything simple. Alright, quick vibe check. If you looked at the numbers, Planner crushes on price and tight security, but AHA just keeps taking the lead everywhere else. Features, integrations, target audience. It's honestly kind of impressive. So, what's the verdict? If your team just wants a simple, affordable tracker and you're living in Microsoft's backyard, Planner's an easy pick. But if you're a product manager and live and breathe those big picture roadmap vibes, there's no question. AHA is the power tool you want. It's pricier, but man, does it deliver where it counts. If this helped you compare, follow for more SaaS showdowns. Let me know what you want to see next.